Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to Brian on Boards to Crypto, where I'm going to post another video about why you shouldn't be freaking out about the third market correction, it looks like. And I'm going to read you a couple of articles why I'm not worried and you shouldn't be either. If you're liking this content, please drop a like, drop a comment, subscribe and share, whether it's on the Facebook page or the YouTube page, because it helps with the algorithms and it shows me that you care. Now, follow along with me. We saw another market correction. I'm just looking down at the laptop. We saw another market correction this weekend and things tumbled even further, and people are still freaking out regardless of the two videos I made a few weeks ago why you shouldn't be freaking out. But now I'm going to drop another amazing bomb on you to show you and reassure you why you shouldn't be freaking out. I want you to type in, I'll put all these links down below for you, but I want you to type in NYDIG.com. That's NYDIG.com. NYDIG is a leading technology and financial services firm dedicated to Bitcoin. We apply institutional wisdom and ingenuity to help our clients access the unrealized potential of this emerging asset class. An asset class. Now, why is that important? Why is NYDIG important? Well, we'll jump over to a CNBC article basically stating Bitcoin is coming to hundreds of US banks this year, says crypto custody firm NYDIG. For the first time, customers of some US banks will soon be able to buy, hold, and sell Bitcoin to their existing accounts. I'll read that one more time for you. So anytime you see a market dip, you hold fast to this information. For the first time, customers of some US banks will soon be able to buy, hold, and sell Bitcoin through their existing accounts. Okay? Through their existing accounts. Banks are asking for Bitcoin because they can see their customers sending dollars to Coinbase and other crypto exchanges, according to Yan Zhao, president of NYDIG. If we read on to the article, it basically states that until now, Bitcoin adopters have relied on apps from a new generation of fintech players like free trading brokerage Robinhood, payment giants PayPal and Square, and crypto-centric firms like Coinbase. Banks, on the other hand, have steered clear of Bitcoin for retail customers, only recently announcing plans to allow rich, wealthy management clients to be able to wager on the cryptocurrency. So they told all their big clients first that this was going to happen. And this article, not this particular one here, but it was leaked, stating that they were going to offer it first to the big boys, which is what they always do, by the way. All the stocks, all the crypto, anything like that is released firstly to the big boys, and then you hear about it later on and you buy in at a premium. That's how the world works. It's not a conspiracy theory, it's just how money flows. As hundreds of smaller banks sign on, giants like JP Morgan Chase and Bank of America could face pressure to offer crypto to their retail banking customers, according to Rob Lee, head of digital banking at Fidelity National Trusts. In March, Morgan Stanley was first among banks to offer Bitcoin funds to its clients. CNBC reported last month Goldman Sachs quickly followed with an announcement of its own, and JP Morgan is reportedly looking at its own product in conjunction with NYDIG. So, what does all of that mean? Firstly, it doesn't matter what's happening in China. It doesn't matter what Elon Musk Nerd Jesus 2.0 talks about. It doesn't matter about any of this stuff. The main core of the financial institution, all the big banks, are partnering with NYDIG to offer Bitcoin services through the existing accounts. You've got to understand this news. You won't hear it on Twitter. You won't see it on Gmail or Google, whatever it's called, because you have to dig for this news. Because the gravity of this news is so big that it just puts your mind at ease and peace so easily. Because the people in charge of all of the money tried to shut down Bitcoin and cryptocurrency services. They couldn't, and now they're seeing that their use case is slowly waxing and waning over time. And so what are they doing? They're trying to offer services in it. They are offering services in it in 2021. And if that is the case, which it clearly is and has been confirmed, do you really think it's going to go away? Do you think it's going to just disappear? The market's going to crash and, oh, sorry, yeah, that's not going to happen anymore. Bitcoin, that was a fad. No, it's not. When banks lean and give way to the pressure of some emerging technology like Bitcoin and cryptocurrency and blockchain, it means they know it's here to stay. Elon Musk bought in, jumped out, didn't give a damn about it. But when a bank adopts its competition, it knows that its number is up unless it evolves its business, thereby absorbing into cryptocurrency. Banks who do this won't be like Elon Musk and just sell on the flip of a hat. These guys have to get these really old men into board meetings over years, write up policies and procedures, and agree to do this thing. They will spend billions of dollars onboarding people onto these services. They're not just going to turn around in a little while and go, sorry, yeah, we don't think Bitcoin's carbon neutral enough for us, so we're removing those services. Do you realize how difficult it was for the banks to admit a future defeat of sorts, to then say, right, we better offer these services. This thing isn't going to go away. Do you really think they would be offering these services if they thought Bitcoin was a fad, or they cared about how supposedly uncarbon neutral it is? They're doing it because they have no choice. And so when I see articles about China banning Bitcoin yet again, by the way, which they've done about 4 or 5 times, but you don't know this because you're new into the space, or you just don't have time to research it. When I see stuff like that, I'm like, yeah, whatever. People contact me and go, my God, it's freaking out. What should I do? I should get out of the market. It looks like it's going to topple. I'm like, yeah, whatever. Because just listen to the news I gave you. Like, this news has been going for a couple of years, by the way. It's only in 2021 that they're actually going to push ahead with it. Bitcoin isn't going away. It's not going away. It is gold 2.0. All of your grandkids, your children, your cousins, all the next generation are going to be using decentralized apps, decentralized finance, Bitcoin, Ethereum. The world is changing rapidly. And the people who control it, not just some dude on YouTube, the people that control it, the banks and the governments, are aware of this, and they're rushing to make policies and procedures around it and offering services in it, because it's not going to go away. And it's so powerful that they know if they don't do something about it, they will become pointless. And so they're adopting it, like trying to be cool kids. And they'll make a fortune out of it too, and they'll stay relevant because of it, until such a time that the next generation grows older and goes, I don't want to buy and sell crypto through banks. I'll just do it on a decentralized app. The future is coming slowly, and I want you to remember these kind of massive moves in the financial sector next time the mainstream media puts out some stupid article, or one of your stupid idols tweets about something. Forget about it. Look at the news. Follow the money. That's all I gotta say. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope finally you have calmed down slightly about it. I am buying these dips. Can't tell you what to do, not financial advice, but that's what I'm doing. Because I can see the future just like the banks, and I'm going to get it at a discount. Hope you have a good day, and I will see you in the next one.